morning, stream. Good morning. Market's open, but we do not have a trade opportunity yet. I don't know if we will get a trade opportunity today because we can only take a trade if price comes all the way down to Asia or London low. And it's way down there. So we'll see how today goes. Did we have run fuller news today? I don't think so. Yeah, no, we didn't have anything today. Tomorrow's PPI, and then Friday's whatever. Oh my gosh, come on, Solana. Let's go. Solana's almost to our first TP. We're just gonna take a small one there. If we can get a candle closure outside of this high, we'll move our stop loss to this low down here. But Solana's ripping. Solana's at $204. We're so close. Let's see, Ethereum. Oh, my Ethereum's so close too. Hit those TPs. Yo, good morning. Okay. Let's see, where's that 5 minute? 5 minute. Dude, the 5 minute range is huge. Honestly, at that point, I'd say just do the 15-minute range. Yeah, I would say do the 15-minute range. I got time today. The market hates it when we have time. The market hates it. Oh? Oh, no. Nothing. I think we're going all the way down to London low, but I don't know. I think I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, tell us, Shangle, where are we going? Where's price going? I honestly don't know, but that's a good game plan, though. Oh, my shoulders and chest are so sore. Oh, let's set an alert down. It just depends on if there's news or not, but I made money this Monday. That's embarrassing. Hey Nate, he didn't have the right game plan like you on Monday. I think you said, I bet. Oh. What? Yeah, I think a short is the play. I think the short is the play. This would make a unicorn, but I can't take it because it's not at liquidity. Right now with Mind Model, no. There is this unicorn though. Yeah, this one, this wick over here. As I said, buy. That's your stop loss is fat. Hey. Not for a unicorn. It's on the 1 minute. So if this candle closes outside of the red box, you would initiate your contract. Oh, but it looks like it's gonna invert the fair value up. Let's see how it closes. Good morning. Good morning. Yep. Unicorn no longer valid. Yeah. And you have this bullish unicorn. If it closes outside and leaves that fair value gap. Oh. Maybe. This one's a much tighter. But we don't get to trade. We don't get to trade. There you go, you get the fair value up. Literally. It's in chop. I know, like there's no, unless Donald Trump decides to tweet. He's like, you know, I'm feeling no news Wednesday. He's like, I'm feeling a little tweetish. Is it? Oh, yeah. Dude, it's so close. Just hit it already. Yep. Yeah. As long as it doesn't invert that fair value up, you're fine. Yeah, so you totally have a... I wouldn't take this though. Yeah. Oh yeah, of the range? Yeah, it's smart. $121,000 Bitcoin. Bro, everything's like at all-time highs. Sorry, Grizzy, that doesn't work on X. Those things don't work on X. They only work on like YouTube and Twitch and Kick, I think. X doesn't allow the APIs to speak to its chat. I wish it did. X needs to like be more like the Twitch and Kick live streams. Yeah. But Grizzy, if you want any of those links, they're all in my bio. So if you want to click the link in my bio, they're all in my bio. So all those links are available to you there. Yeah, on the 5, yeah. That would be a valid change in state for Nate's model. It swept liquidity. Looks like it swept liquidity, pushing up. The next confluence would be that. What? Oh yeah, yeah. Who? Oh, this is the unicorn. I'm just seeing if the unicorn like works. Like see if you hit that TP. This would be your TP. Yeah, it's because I have 7,000 trophies on Clash NASDAQ. Five Minute hasn't even made a fair value gap yet. Yeah, it's just you're at that all-time high in price discovery and like price. Oh, look at that! There you go. That unicorn would have got wrecked. Holy smokes. Exactly. Oh my gosh, dude. No. There is a unicorn that was formed, yeah. Maybe this guy here. Got a bearish unicorn. As long as it holds this fair value gap within this breaker block, yeah, you get an entry. That's good displacement. Stops might be wide, but I think it's worth taking this one. I think it's finally decided where it's going. Holy smokes. It might even invert this 5-minute fair value gap. There's also this 5-minute change in state, 5-minute fair value gap. The unicorn's good. Yeah. So I think he's doing the unicorn. Oh, you got tapped in on the unicorn. The Casper didn't have its model play out though. No, there's no fair value gap outside the range. Yeah, no sell limit. Yeah, take profits buy limit. Buy stop is your stop loss. No, your TP is a buy limit. Let's see if this unicorn plays out. Hopefully, what would be nice is if you get a 5-minute order block soon, like out and like into profit. Oh wait, something might have happened. Oh no, just that. That 5-minute liquidity, which is, I think it's right around 30 points. You're almost a TP. Could be. My TP's at 37.75 points. Oh, okay. Let me see it. Let me watch your shoot. Oh. Oh yeah, you're gonna almost be up. Yeah, you're definitely hitting that first one. You're definitely hitting that first one. The market. Look, you just hit. Chill out. Calm down, young one. I don't think he took a trade. Yeah, that'd be Anthony. What'd you say, Anthony? Got it, yeah. The inverse fair value gap. Yeah. I don't think there's 3. I think there's only 2. Yeah, there's only 2. Yeah, there's only 2 that it can invert. Yeah, no. Yeah, no, there's definitely not. There's only 2. Oh wait, you're on NQ. NQ maybe has more, but MNQ doesn't. I keep forgetting you're on NQ. Anthony, you should start hopping on your computer like more, not on your phone, so then you can just share your screen with us. What, Zachary? Because then we can just look at your screen and like see what you're looking at. $122,000 Bitcoin now. Let's go. Oh, I see what you're saying. When you share your screen, Anthony. Oh wait, you only have one monitor, huh? Oh, that makes sense. Yeah. You should try to get one more monitor, like a really cheap one. Like just so you can see my Discord screen. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, do the laptop, but just have an extra monitor for Oh yeah, that like hangs on the back of it or whatever. Yeah. Hey Zachary, your second TP is a little low. It should be at the ERL, just so you know. Oh, you did 50 points, okay. Yeah. Yeah, right there, Zachary. That's where I would put it. Why'd you delete your short tool? You're lame. Wow, you don't believe in it? Imagine. Then imagine it doesn't do it. It just hit $121,000 Bitcoin, then now it's 122. Let's go. Ethereum. I don't know. Your stop loss is at break even, right? Okay. You know. I already know what you're at. Nice, nice. You're almost back to 50K. Holy smokes. Wait. Why is my TP like different than yours? My TP is different than yours. Look at where mine's at. Yes. He. Hey, wait, Zachary, I have mine at this 1 minute low. At this 1 minute low. On the 1 minute. You're on the 5. Roll over. Other way. Nope, other one. Yeah, there you go. That low. See that low? It would have hit. That's why I was like, why is yours not hitting? That's the low. Yeah. Dude, dang it, dude. It should hit like right here. But that's the low. Oh, that unicorn worked. Yeah. Blakely. That's how I was like, dude, what? Why is your stop? Why is it not hitting for you? If it breaks those 5 minute lows, it definitely will. That I think if it breaks these 5 minute equal lows, it'll be a very aggressive push down. Yeah, if it breaks this, oh my gosh. Dude, yeah, if it could break these equal lows, I think you guys will see like a really cool candle. It broke the equal lows. Dude, it should see a really good candle here. Yeah. What? Yeah, no, you're done for the day. You already made $500. You're done. Oh yeah, you're done. You're fine. Yeah. If you just stay disciplined, like they will pay you out as long as you don't change anything. Like if you consistently just do that over and over again, like there's a thing here. Let me see real fast. Let's do this. Oh, Zachary's gonna cry. Don't cry. Hey, look at that 5-minute cat. I told you if it's gonna break those equal lows, dude. Let's go. Should be good. Why did you take TP though? Like you should have definitely took TP. That's what I'm saying. You take TP with 2 and now you just got 2 running. Like I would have definitely taken 2. It's a buy limit. Nope. Below price. Buy limit. Buy limit of 2. No, why are you putting it all the way down there? Oh my. Let's see. Let's go Apex. Apex Trader Funding. Here we go. Yeah, it's not easy to understand. Performance and live account rules, payout rules and payout methods. Let's see. Payout rules and payout methods. Let's see the consistency. Yeah, no, I'm talking about the consistency. So 5 of the 8 days need to be profitable of more than $50 or more. Yeah. So if you go to your Apex account, Anthony, and you log into your dashboard, you can go to payout requests and it'll tell you which accounts are eligible or not. Yeah. And then it's like payout requests or something like that. And it'll show you if no accounts are eligible or if accounts are eligible. Which I don't think you have any accounts of eligible because you need the minimum required balance needs to be $52,600 in the account. So you're probably not there yet. You're probably close, but and then your maximum payout is $2,000 that you can do. Here we go. 100% payout eligibility guidelines. To qualify for 100% payouts, traders must first complete 5 approved payouts, starting with the 6th payout. Oh wait, no, that's the How to request your payout. Yeah, request payout, and then you'll see if any are eligible. Yeah. Where is the consistency rule? Huh. Red exclamation marks next to your what? Let's see. Oh, it means like something like I would log out of your broker and then log back in. So click on your TradeEvade down there. Like, yeah, like expand that real fast. Go to your TradeEvade, log out, and then log back in. And now try to do it. Oh, here you go. All right, here's a bunch of rules. No, I held on. I don't know. I just found a bunch of rules. Trailing drawdown rule. Here's this one. So here's the rules, right? Here's a bunch of them. Contract scaling rule. To promote disciplined growth, the contract scaling rule outlines how traders manage contract size during the growth phase of an account. Initial limit. Traders are restricted to trading half of their maximum allowed contracts until they reach the trailing threshold stop. Threshold reach. Once the account end of day balance exceeds the trailing threshold, the initial balance plus the trailing drawdown plus $100, traders can then use their full contract limit starting with their next full trading session. For example, on a 50K account, your max is 10. Traders can initially trade up to 5 contracts. When the account end of day balance reaches 52,600, you can then trade with 10 contracts. Consistent violation. Nope. And then here's your next one. 30% negative P&L rule. The 30% negative P&L rule limits the loss a trader can incur on any single trader, providing a structured approach to risk management. So you can never risk more than 30%. 30% drawdown limit. Your open trade should not exceed a 30% drawdown limit from your account's profit balance. This helps protect your trading capital. So for example, if you're oh yeah, so 30% of $2,500 on is $750. So if you ever lost more than $750 on a trade on your PA, you've broken that rule. So it doesn't mean you're gonna lose that account, but it just means if you request your first payout, it might get denied, and then you have to like wait another 8 days. Yeah. Then you also have adjustable limit. As your account's balance grows, you may qualify for more flexible 50% drawdown limit. So it's 30% of whatever your drawdown is what you can never lose more than. Then there's this 30% consistency rule. So your profit needs to be 30% consistency. Here, I'm gonna put this in the Discord chat, and you guys should read this and know this. I'm gonna put it in here. This is all the rules to how to get a payout. I just put it in the chat. Then there's also there's risk management, stop loss, profit target rules. Max contract rule. Max contracts rule. That's just the max contract, so you can never exceed the max contracts. But then there's also contract size consistency rule. Traders must use contract size that reflect a consistent trading approach. Yeah. So they don't want to see you. They don't want to see you just like jumping around on your contract sizes like Zachary does. That's literally jumping around on contract size because you just traded a bunch with 10. Then all of a sudden you're at 3. Then you're at 8. Like, you're all over the place. They're not gonna pay you out. Oh, here's another one. No, I haven't. Flipping trade rules. Huh. Yeah, but they'll only let you take out the profit from those 8 days. They won't let you go back in time until you get to a certain point. They don't like let you go back in time. So they'll look at your next 8 days of how much money you made, how much money you lost, and then say, okay, that's how much money you can take out. Yeah, like that's why I'm telling you guys, it's so important to stay consistent. So that's what I'm saying. You don't go down to 3, you stay at 8. I feel like Anthony's been very consistent at 3. Yeah. Yeah, that'll hurt you. Even though it's on accident, they don't care. Yeah, so this thing I shared with you guys it literally gives you every rule that you need to follow, and it breaks it all down for you. Yeah. I'd say just trail order blocks. Could be. Honestly, it could go very low. This could go all the way to like the day low. I just trail order blocks. Because you have... It'll come. It'll come. I'm trying to watch your screen. It's not letting me watch your screen. Come on. Dang. Dang it, man. I wish I could have taken that trade. Hopefully we get a good one at London Low. We're almost there. Like, hey, Anthony, something you could do is take that document on Apex and go into like ChatGPT and then ask it to like summarize like what do I need to do to make sure I can get payouts and stuff, and like ChatGPT can help you like make sure you follow the rules. Or you can even ask ChatGPT to create you a scaling model or like trading model for you that will make sure you stay within their rules. Yeah, that could actually be kind of cool to do. I might do that actually. Oh yeah, I use ChatGPT all the time. Yeah, I would have, dude. If oh my gosh, ChatGPT would have done all my homework. Yep, I got that. They just got the agents where like you could have the agent work for you like while you're doing stuff. Yeah, yeah. So they finally have like agent versions instead of just LLMs. Uh-huh. Oh, yes. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, it like gives you analysis and all that stuff. Yeah. Me and Zachary and I were getting fed it on Instagram and stuff like all the time. I haven't seen it in a very long time. I haven't seen it like getting chilled. Did you? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I would trust it. It's a really cool idea, but yeah, if it just worked, yeah. That is a cool like app idea. I would like to create an app one day. Like I have so many ideas for my business of what once I get my trading stuff like all solidified and like I have a solid strategy that's making me consistent money. Like I have so many ideas I want to do. I would like to create an app. Because apps are like, if you can actually create a good app, they're actually like crazy good. I think it's creating an order block. Why can't I watch your stream? I'm gonna disconnect from Discord real fast and come back. I can't watch your stream. What is going on? I don't know. I'm trying to watch it. It just does that little loop. There we go. It should work. And it's loading. Yeah, now I can see it. Dude, that chart looks so sick. And you've already realized like what, probably $600-700 bucks. Nice. Dang, that unicorn smacked. Oh. I really hope I... Yeah. Hopefully I can get something. I'm kind of hoping it just keeps skyrocketing down all the way to like this day lows down here. I guess I wouldn't care either also for retrace, whatever. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, nice. But she's probably so excited. First day of school today, and then tomorrow she's ditching. That's funny. So tomorrow, today's her first day of school, and then tomorrow and Friday she's ditching. That's awesome. Where's she going to school at? Oh, nice. Alright, chat, we might actually be able to get a trade soon. We're almost to London low. Yeah, they did. Or I did. I want to know who's getting a funded account and then trading 60 M&Q off the rip. Or 50. Huh? I can't hear you. It's hard to hear you. Oh, the take profit trader? Yeah. Yeah, the thing with Apex, you can just get more. You can get way more payout, which is nice. But they make it hard to get the payouts. Yeah, because you can get 20 accounts and do 2,000 account, and every 8 days you're pulling out 20k, 5 max. Come on, hit London low already, so I can consider a trade. I'm making sure all my stuff is set up properly before I get a trade opportunity. They probably will. Should. Like the thing for you, I'd say you don't want to, like, you want it to play around so it gets all the liquidity and stuff, and then it'll give you that. Yeah. Am I? you're probably gonna have a good. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. He just wants to see the displacement. Got it. All right. TradeSyncer is all set up. Let's get a sick trade. Oh my. It's a fire trade instead of being done for the day. He's like, you know what? I think I can make some more. Can't miss out. Oh my. Copper. No. Come here. Keeping it. Oh, that's nice. Those take profit traders are up nice. Nice. Yeah, I know which. I can see which ones are actual accounts. The FTDs, PAs, and then yeah. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual accounts. All the rest are evals. Yeah, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual accounts, and the rest are evals. Yeah, those take profit traders made 1,400, or they're gonna be up to $2,000. Remember, make sure they don't go over $3,000 in profit in one day. Auto liquidate. Okay, perfect. Yeah. All right, sounds good. I'll be right back, chat and Discord. All right, almost finally there. I saw London low. Got the alert. Okay. Now let's see what happens here. We got a bullish breaker block here. Oh, Zachary's getting an order block to the downside too. Changing state. What is this? Very short net form, but it's before. We're just gonna wait. Let's see what we get. Okay, we need 5 things. Oh. We need an order block, sweep of liquidity, time based. So we hit time based liquidity. That's 1x. We do have this sweep of liquidity of these lows here. We have that order block. We have some sweeps of liquidity here. We have this order block. Now we just need to start seeing displacement to that side, like good fair value gaps. Maybe we get a whole retracement of this move. That'd be sick. Right. Might get a fair value gap here. See. Okay, fair value gap. Oh, might get inverted. All right, that is no longer valid. That fair value gap doesn't count anymore. Let's see what we get here. Aw, Solana, come on. I might get a unicorn very soon here. I'm not sure yet. There is one kind of forming to the upside, but you might get an order block. Yeah. Oh, is it not? Oh, that's because I exit. I forgot to. There. We'll see if it. There's one. What? Yeah. Well, you could just, what you do is you like click on one of the streams and it makes it bigger, and you just can easily hop from each one because you have them loaded now, so you just can easily click through them. All right, we also have potentially a bearish order block forming on the one. You might get one right there if it makes a little one. Yeah. Good, I don't know. It also just formed a bearish order block, so it could give me something. But it also might give me a bullish one right now. A bullish unicorn. These wicks on the 5-minute look like it might reverse. Yeah. Also could not do that too. Like for me, if I'm gonna go short, or long, I mean, ideally I'd want to be able to take TP at the 50% mark on the 5-minute at least, just in case if it's just making a lower high on the 5 before it rips down. Yeah. I wouldn't close your position because it still could go down. Yeah, it could just be creating structure. That's what it might be doing. Because 1 minute isn't really looking like it wants to go long. Oh, I didn't get that bearish order block. Come on, please give me the bearish order block. Let me see higher time frame. Higher time frame we are in. Looks like it's changing. Yeah, this hour looks like it's gonna go bearish. Yeah, the 1 hour is inverting a fair value gap to downside. Like if I were to pick which direction I would choose to go is short. Like the 1 hour looks like it wants to go short. The 1 hour looks like it wants to go down to this H4 fair value gap, or even to the day lows, or even some of these 1 hour fair value gaps. Like longing to me doesn't. I prefer not to long. It doesn't look like a long would be the move. Okay, perfect. This is now confirmed. You might be joining in just in time. Yeah, the 5 minute might give you a change in state one way or the other. Potentially. I'm waiting to see if I get this order block or this unicorn here. I have a bullish setup and a bearish setup. Mine would be a unicorn. Nice. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. That's what I'm saying. That's what I think it's doing. It'll give you that order block, and then you can go even lower. And then that would set me up for a bearish unicorn. No, you didn't miss it. No. Oh my. Don't listen to him. Just need a fair value gap. One fair value gap, please. That's all I'm asking. Market makers, please, just one fair value gap. That's all I'm asking. Ooh, maybe it won't give it to you. Ooh. The 1 hour, oh, the 1 hour just closed, and the 1 hour just inverted a fair value up. The downside. Unless we get candles like yesterday where it completely retraces all the way back up, I think we're going down lower. I mean, at least to Asia low. They're just... Yeah. I mean, for me, I'm looking at something completely different, Nate. So I'm looking at the unicorn on the 1 minute. So it's like, yeah. Yeah, you're looking for the red candle to full engulf the green candle. That creates the order block and the change in state. All right, I'm gonna lock in real fast. I think I'm getting my. Copper, shut up. Please. Dude, he's like screaming in the garage right now. Okay, my limit order's in. Yeah. That's so great for you. Placement. Shut up. Oh my. Oh my. Liquidity sweep. And you get a nice order block too. I'm not even gonna make that much money on this because if it taps me in, my TP's at Asia low. No, it's 25 points almost, but no way. Is it not gonna tap me in? You're priority over 100 points. Oh, you just hit it. Dude, just trail order blocks. Sure, take it then at 100. You're gonna be pissed though if it goes 300 points. Come on. How much am I risking? $151. Okay, let's go. Tap me in. Come on. Hasn't hit Asia low yet. Your Asia low, Zachary, too, is wrong.
Filled.
There I go. I'm tapped in. Okay. Buy limit. Now go straight to my TP. Oh my gosh. It's gonna go straight to my TP. Go. Go. In one candle, do it. Oh my gosh, do it in one candle. Do it in one candle. Do it in one candle. Come on. Oh my gosh. It almost literally did it in like 3 seconds. Come on, hit Asia low, please. There we go. There we go. No, I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna do. You don't even have Asia low marked out. That's not Asia low. It's about to hit Asia low. It's like a pixel away. My TP right now is at Asia low. Yeah. No, I never take full TP. You forget, it never changes. 2/3. Come on, tap it. Oh my gosh, tap it, please. It's literally... it's so annoying, dude. Like, it literally is so close. Like, we know you're gonna hit it. Just do it. Needs to be faster. There we go. Oh. Oh, it's just playing with me now. There we go. No way. Hit it. Look at how close it is. There we go. Oh my gosh. Dude, imagine it didn't hit. It missed it by like literally a pixel and then goes all the way back into my stop loss. What did I make so far? Woo! We're up about 140 bucks for the day. What do you guys know about me? Good boy. Good boy. That was easy trade. That literally took... I don't know why you guys are tripping. That literally took 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's go. No need to stress, guys. Chill out. Keep your emotions cool. Now let's go to day low. Now let's rip. Just give me 100 points. You can't give it to my brother and not me. Yeah, that means you're up 200 points. Let's go. Yeah. It could. It could. Honestly, I could see us reversing at this H4 fair value gap. I can see that be where we reverse. Because the H4 is about an inverse. It's got still a long time, but it's inversing a fair value gap. If it hits this fair value gap, that could be it, but also it could attack these day lows. Yeah, you're talking from day low, you're talking... Yeah, I don't know if it'll do that. That's 300 points. I don't know if it'll do that today. It's 300 points. Come on, don't stop me out at break even. Run. Give me a 5-minute order block and then run. Oh, it just inverted 3 more fair value gaps, 2 on the 5-minute. Beautiful. Come on. I don't know what he did. It wouldn't have tapped him in either way. Let's go. Let's go. You're overthinking, dude. What is price showing you right now? Like, if you look at that 5-minute, what does it look like it's doing? Yeah, but is it showing any sign that it looks like it wants to go back up? Or does it look like it wants to just keep pushing down? Like, look at those 5-minute candles, those black candles. Like, look how big they are. And it just broke through Asia low with a huge black candle. So like when you read that, right? Like what does that look like to you? To me, it looks like sellers are winning and they're going to keep pushing. Like you're overthinking it. No. Oh, now Bitcoin's $120,000. That's a $2,000 swing right there on Bitcoin. That's a big swing. Give us another order block. Dang. Now you're at 50K. Dude, let's go. I'm stoked for you. That's good. I think I'm gonna trail these 1 minute order blocks. I don't know. Should I wait for a 5 minute or 1 minute? If you're gonna trail 1 minute order blocks, trail like 2 behind. Does that make sense? Because there's like, so right now there's a total of 2 order blocks formed. I would trail the one at like the London low. Yeah, like that, yeah. So I'd trail, if you get a new one, yeah, I'll do the same with you. Dude, why does mine, I want mine to do what yours does. I don't know why mine doesn't pop out like that. Like when you edit your thing, you get a nice little box that pops up instead of the whole thing sliding out, like the trading pane, and it's annoying. Oh, huh. Oh, huh. You're right. You could go down to 1 order block too. Yep. Here, let me see if there's a setting I can change. Undock. Oh, here we go. Okay, you just gotta undock it. There you go. So like edit, and then see those 3 little dots? Yeah. Click that and then press undock. There you go. Oh my gosh, I'm up 50 points. Yeah. 53 or 52 and a half. Give us 100. 130. Nice. Nate, I just heard you. Let's see. Yeah, you are. Let me see. I'm gonna click to it right now. Yeah. No, technically you'd be all the way up at the green candle. You would have never gotten tapped in. Yeah, the green candle, the body of it. You would have never gotten tapped in, but yeah. Yeah, your buy limit goes at the green candle, yeah. Yeah. So technically you wouldn't go to that green candle. Technically you would go to the 3rd green candle over to the left. the lowest. Remember? Yeah. Remember what? Do you remember what I talked about? Where if it creates the order blocks, you look at how many it formed and you pick the lowest point. Remember? Because it formed 2 order blocks there, and you pick the lowest point on that order block. You still would have gone tapped in, but just as a reminder, that's what you'd want to do. Yeah, you would need a fresh order block to be formed and to change the state. Yeah. Are you doing inverse fair value gaps, or no? Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, inverse fair value gaps, you're more likely to get tapped in, but you have farther stop losses. Where changing states, you're less likely to get tapped in, but you'll have way better risk to reward over time. And that's okay. Like, if you don't get tapped in, like, and if you don't get a trade today, that's totally fine too. Like some days you're not gonna have a trade. We might get stopped out here, Zachary. Oh. So it just hit that H4 fair value gap, and this is where it could reverse. Yeah, it looks like it actually wants to reverse. It just made a unicorn. And if it taps us out, we're done. Yeah, it's gonna tap me out. Oh, did it.
Stop filled.
Let me just double check, make sure everything's flattened. I'm not going long. I'm done. I'm done for the day. That's it. Let me just make sure all my. That's a good day, dude. You should be done, Zachary. What, Nate? You don't have a trade yet, so you don't have anything yet. You got to be a little more patient. You need to see if it creates a 5-minute order block for you or not. It hasn't yet. I made a lot, honestly. Blah, 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 blah. Shut up, dude. Like, no one wants to hear it. Alright, let's see what we made today. Oh, another. Let's go. Let's go. Look at it. Another $13,000 day. Or a $12,000 day. Let's go. We made it. Let's go. We made it. We're out of it. We're out the slums. 35 accounts. Let's go. $2.2 million in funding. Let's go. I almost passed 6 more accounts today. What do you mean? Top left, add trade. Yeah, and then you go add account. Top right hand corner. Trade of it. Want to see today? No, just like you see today. No, it's today. Yesterday was more. Yeah, that's today so far. There you go. We're done. Done for the day. Dude, that bullish unicorn 2 smacked. Actually, it never tapped you in. Huh? Yeah, actually, it did tap you in. Wait, did it? It didn't. That one didn't tap you in? This one didn't tap you in? Yeah, okay, you wouldn't be tapped in yet, but I think this is where it could reverse. So Nate, I just watch, see if you get like a change in state here, and then this could be where it reverses and kind of goes all the way back up. So, all right. So I'm not gonna tell you. I want you to try to figure out, but I'm gonna try to explain it to you. So if you need to go long, what do you need to engulf? If you're going long. Yes. Yep. Right. You need to engulf that entire move, right, to create that big order block. So that would be your first potential change in state. But you could create some. You could create a 5-minute order block here, like in the future. That could give you a little bit tighter. But yeah, that would be the change state you need to wait for right now. Is that 11 a.m. candle? Yeah, that'd be a good confluence for your trade, right? So if you're like, I'm waiting for that change in state, a good confluence could be, oh, beforehand it even inverse the fair value gap too. Yep. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Oh my. Let me see. Let me see what mine. Dang, dude, your Zella score is actually not bad. Scroll up. 40% win percentage. Oh, dude, your average win or loss is actually getting good. Let's see. Your profit factor is 1.29. Your win percentage is not great, but nope. Doesn't matter. Nope. But that's weird because my days are green. Yeah, Monday I didn't have a trade. You took a trade and you lost. Tuesday I won. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I lost. There's no change in state, but there is the potential inverse fair value gap. Yeah. Yeah, the change in state has to be at the 11 a.m. Yeah. Oh, Zachary, I am whooping you now. Oh, wait, never mind. Why does it say I made $55,000? Wait. Look at my net P&L. Get on my level. No, I don't know why my TradeZella does this, but it adds like $50,000. I don't know where it gets these numbers from. Let me see. Let me update it. Oh my. All right. I don't know why it does that though. I don't know why it doesn't make sense. I feel like this isn't calculating it right. I could be wrong. I don't know. My day win percentage is better than you though. My trade win is about equal. I gotta get mine up a little bit more. I need to still add, let me get this off to the live stream, but let me add some, session, no, it's retracting. Okay, let me add, I'm missing some of my Flutter account. Add new account, trade of it, honestly. I think TradeZella made it to you can add unlimited accounts now. Oh, Copper. Why do you gotta scream, bro? Copper. Yeah. Yeah. Yep, nice. Yeah. Good luck. Copper is tweaking. Alright, now that I updated it, why is the Zella score so bad? Let me see if I add my targets on this, if it helps. Oh, got it. Okay. Oh, it's still importing stuff. Okay. Alright, is it done? No, still syncing. Another 111 executions. Right. Oh, it's still doing more. Alright, hang on. Once I get these executions put in and more of them updated, I'll show you the update. See if it gets better, or it might not change actually. Oh, see, you might get a bullish change in state, Nate. With this fresh order block, stop losses would be way tighter. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, this is with TradeZella, yeah. Yeah, I love TradeZella. TradeZella is like, it's my favorite software to have. Because it's good, you could trade journal and all that stuff, and yeah, it's really good. Yeah, it'll update everything. All you have to do is put them in. Yeah. How do I get to my trade? Hey, well, it's pretty tight. What? Yeah, I mean, if it's presenting itself, take it. You got decently tight stop loss. Yeah, and then if it inverts that fair value up above, it would be it'd be fuel for his position. So, and he's bouncing off an H4 fair value gap, Asia low, and London low. So, I don't think it's a bad idea. And the 1 minute looks like it just made a lower or higher low, so it looks like it's creating bullish structure. The 1 minute also created a unicorn off the H4 fair value gap. So. Oh, there. Now it's updated. Oh, it's still not good. I gotta get it better. Might get my TradeZella stuff better. But it had... Oh, wait. Hang on, I gotta clean this up. Because we started trading the unicorn. It was last week on Monday. If I remember correctly. So everything after the 25th... Yeah. There we go. There we go. Trade log. Okay, here we go. Close date. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. You get a short change in state potentially. That's what I'm saying, yeah. Well, I mean, it's hard to say because that could be because there hasn't been a single change in state yet. This would be the first one, so this could be the one that indicates it's going to go lower. Like, you're at higher time frame points of interest. I don't know. There are... If you don't feel confident taking it, Nate, then wait. You could be waiting more patient. But it is potentially creating you a bearish change in state right there. That'd be the first change in state you've had in a while. All right. All right, 56 seconds. Huh? trades. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Yep. Yep, so still no change in state for you. Yeah, I could hear you. Hi. There we go. Deleting all these trades that. Alright, that should be freshened up now. Let's see if anything changes now. There we go. Nope. I mean, Zell score is a little better, but oh. Alright. I got work to do on that. No. You stay away from it. Yeah, let me see yours. Yeah, let me see yours. Why does it keep loading? Oh yeah, there you go, Nate. Now you're getting a change in state. Use the link if you're gonna get it. Use the link in my Discord. Okay. What did you say, Anthony? I don't know, like 25 bucks a month, I think. I don't remember. Let me see. $24 a month is what it is for the basic. And Nate, remember you put your buy limit on the second red candle, not that first one, because it's creating 2 order blocks. Yep, that one, yeah. Stop loss though goes to the highest point of those order blocks. So you have the stop loss at the right. Yep, that's at the right spot, yeah. It might actually do the other order block, Nate. It might actually do the 11 o'clock one. Got 50 seconds? Yeah. It's going to either do that 11 o'clock one or it's going to do 11:25. Looks like it's probably just going to do 11:25. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. The 1 minute looks good. The 1 minute looks like it's going in your favor. So if you go long here. Nate, your buy limit isn't at the right spot. No, your the entry. Yeah. Okay, put it down. Yep, put it down at the red candle, top of the 1125 candle. Yep, there you go. There you go, perfect. See if you get tapped in. Yeah, the 1 minute looks pretty good. You have a liquidity sweep beforehand. You have higher time frame point of interest. Yeah. You have several bullish unicorns in your favor. No, not yet. I think he's gonna get tapped in though. Oh my gosh, Nate, you got so close to your entry. I think it's gonna tap you in. I hope so. No, it's definitely should be set. He's not doing inversions. Dude, imagine having discipline and like not continue trading, dude. You're kind of dumb for that, Anthony. I'm just kidding. Oh yeah, that'd be sick. A lot. It would for sure. You would have made a lot of money on that trade. You would have made probably like $3 grand on that trade. Yeah, he's trading. You'd have 1 in queue left. That's 10 in queue left on the table. I'd leave it, Nate. Unless it creates a fair value up above you, I'd leave it. It might create a fair value up, but... You did? Nice. There you go. You got tapped in. Let's go. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how much he would have made. Ready? I'll do the calculation. Yeah. It was an inversion, right? Yeah, you did it like right here. Sell limit 10. We pulled out way down here. Yeah, he would have made another $1,800. It was the 11:10 1 minute candle. Yeah, he would have made another $1,715. So he would have made almost $3 grand. No. Anthony, if you would have kept all 3 NQ in, you would have made $5,145. Got it, yeah. Yeah, that would have definitely messed up your consistency. Hey, Nate, how many points is your TP at? Is it 25 points? 30? Okay. 35? Okay. Yeah, that's why it's smart to just do 1 a day, $500, you're done. That guarantees you're staying within your consistency because every day is like the same, and then it's easy. Like you caught that within like a minute. I don't know. He's like breaking up. He's like breaking up. You're like your service isn't great. Yeah, it's working well for you, Anthony. Like, dude, if you can make $500 within like 30 minutes of the market every day, you're chilling. Got it, yeah. That was the model, yeah. If you want, Nate, you could change your TP to take only 2 off, and if you want to leave a runner. Do you want me to show you how to do that? So go up to your TP and just press the X button. Yep, cancel that order. Oh wait, hold on. Are you sure you want to cancel? Oh wait, hold on. Press no. Because what that does, it'll cancel your stop loss too, and you're almost to your stop loss. Hang on, just leave it real fast. Let's watch this real quick. Because you'll have to do 2 things. You have to set a stop loss and then set your TP, and it might hit your stop loss right now. But it does set you up for a short. You could try to take that short too. So if you go short, the nice thing about that is you're going with the trend of the current market. Yeah, it's gonna hit your stop loss. Yeah. So if you want to go set up for a short, you can, and I could show you how to set it up where you don't take a TP, a full TP. Remember, it's at the lowest point of that order block. There's one more order block that is potentially, yep, like that. And then stop loss would go to that. Yep, that high up there. Don't set a TP. Exit out of the TP. Yeah, don't set it. Oh, you put a TP down. Your TP's like, yeah, just exit. Yep. So then when you initiate the order, just the stop loss, and then I'll show you how to take a partial TP. you're probably gonna want to watch where this 5-minute closes, because it might have the order block a little higher from that other candle, the 1140 candle. Oh, yep, nice. Okay, so you're tapped in. So now set up your TP, adjust your no. Adjust your long. I'm about to show you. Adjust your short tool, the short setup that you have, and make it right. That matches, so it matches your position. Does that make sense? So adjust your stop loss to the right spot, to where your current stop loss is at. Yep. And then adjust your entry point, to where your entry is actually at. So that's the other dot. That's kind of the middle to the left-hand side of your short tool. Middle of your short tool, left-hand side of it though. Yep. And then move that down to where your entry is actually at. Yep. So over the green candle, just hover over that green candle, other one. So yeah, right there. Right there. Yep. So let go. Now adjust your take profit to 25 points on your long tool. Yep. To 25 points. Okay, so now take your mouse and hover to the right-hand side of your long tool where your TP would be. No, don't press that. No, don't press any of that. Just hover your mouse next to where but to the right-hand side of it, not on it. Yep, right-click. Say buy limit, but then adjust it to only 2, not 3. Yep. And then pull it down to 25 points, and then now press buy. So that's your TP now. So if it comes down there, it's going to take off 2 contracts and leave 1 running. So yeah, Nate's got a short. Should hit his TP soon. Looks good. $120, right? Like $100, 120. Probably about that. Yeah, it'd probably be break even, but he's leaving a runner this time with 1, so if it decides to break through, yeah, he could then trail stops on 5 minute. Yeah, 6:30 is like the most important time to be on the chart. You were in the trade by 655. All right. You would actually, if it engulfs it, yeah, you would. That's technically an order block. All right, stream. I'm gonna call it for the day. I'm done trading. We had a great day. We were patient. Got a big nice win, and that's it. One and done. We hit session liquidity. Got the unicorn, and now we call it for the day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at market open.